In today's video, I will be showing you how to create a glyph text effect in Sony Vegas. If you want to receive more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and hit on the bell so that you won't miss anything. Let's get into the video. First, head over to Media Generators, select Legacy Text and pick the default one. Import a text. Select your font type. Duplicate this track or this layer. Maintain control, drag and drop beneath. Hit on OK. Create a new video track above this layer by right clicking here and hitting insert video track. Go to your media generators and select text pattern. Pick the SMPTE pass, this first one, and drop above your text layer. Close it. Go to video effects and select TV simulator. It should be right below. Leave it. Pick the reset to none, drop it onto your text pattern. Shift this one slightly this way and same here like this. So if I play it, it's going to look somehow that way. Close it. Go to the composite mode of this track, that is the text pattern. Click over here and select custom. Pick the Vegas displacement map and go to OK. Adjust your settings to your liking. See it is being preview on your screen. Just make sure you put it slightly this way. Okay, I will go for that value. I don't want it to shake too much. Make sure your preview window is set to preview and auto. Go to the edge pixel handling and select wrap pixels around. Check the alpha channel scales and close it. Head over to your project properties over here, or you simply hit Alt and enter. Set the stereoscopic 3D mode to the anaglyptic red cyan this way and hit on OK. Go to video effects once again and select stereoscopic 3D adjustment. Drop it onto the second layer and readjust it to your liking. Yes, so if I play it, that's how it's going to behave. To complete this effect, you need to resize your text pattern layer this way so that it shouldn't last for long. If you have any sound effect like electric sound effect, you can place it so that the effect become much more professional. I will go for this one. I will drop it here, and then I will have to make sure I select a particular portion where the electric effect is stronger. I'll split it, then I'll delete this one. Right now I will have to group them by selecting both and hitting G on my keyboard. Now as you can see, both are moving at the same time. From this position I'll count 15 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then I'll copy this one and paste it over here. I will do the same until the end of my effect. I will be right back. Suppose we are interested in this portion, I will simply just cut this one, reduce it so that it matches with what I just copied. Okay, go to the second track and split it as from this portion. Hold down Ctrl and select these layers so that you delete them. Now play it to see the end result. Even though it is very fast, but that is how you create the clipped text effect. It is also simple for us to apply this same effect on a logo. Suppose our logo here is Vegas. Let's say we want to apply this. We still need to duplicate this one. I will rapidly copy and paste this text pattern layer over here, since all the effects have already been included. Go to Vegas Effects and select Stereoscopic 3D, drop it over here, and you can adjust to your likings. It's the same thing. Let me crop it since it is too big. Okay, this way. I will delete this one and then duplicate this one. Let me remove the effect. Alright, so if I play it, see the way it is applied. That is how I create my clipped text effect or my tweet effect applied onto logos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you won't miss any of our online content. I will see you in the next tutorial.